guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the journey with Sum Sum. Hey, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are just finding my page, where have you been? Do not forget to click the subscribe button down below to join this amazing family we have here with me. Like I said, the name of the channel is The Journey with Sum Sum. So you are ever going on a journey with me and enjoying things that I enjoy too. Thank you very much. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I'm going to Lekki Conservation Center for the first time in my life, and I'm going alone. Sad but not too sad, and I hope it's going to be fun and all that good stuff because I've heard a lot about the place and I'm looking forward to seeing it and all that good stuff. So I will be vlogging the entire thing and showing you guys, and yes, it's like an adventure for me, kind of, if you call that an adventure. So right now I'm waiting for the Uber guy to come pick me up, so when he's around I would start going down to the place.
Look at you over there living. Wow. I can't believe this. Look at you over there living and stuff. That is I'm so proud of you.
Lagos and traffic.
So when we came in through the gate, the security guard asked if we have a reservation. So we said no, and he said we need one in order for us to be allowed into the premises. So we went on ncfnigeria.org to make a reservation. Simple procedure, just type in the required information. Once you are done, submit, and then a confirmation message comes up immediately. You show this confirmation message to the security guard, and then he allows you into the premises and tells you to just go ahead straight forward until you get to a place where you make payments. It's easy to identify it. I'll show you in the next video. So we finally got to the spot where we would make payments, get our wristbands, and wait till they say, okay, stand up, it's time to go. And since we're going for the canopy walk, I think it costs like 2,000 per person. So I think an entrance fee for 1,000 and the canopy walk for another 1,000, making 2,000. So for me and my friend, we paid 4,000 together. We got our really cute wristbands, and so after we got our wristbands, we had to wait for I think 30 minutes, and then we're just having a conversation here and gisting. But after a while, we were hungry, so we had to go find food because we gotta eat. Namlan, introduce yourself.
Is it coming out me right here?
Yes.
Hi people.
Oh.
How you guys doing? I'm happy to be in Simpson's vlog. Journey with Simpson. Hope you guys enjoy this tour of LCC. If you've gone here before, enjoy it again.
Abby, we've never been here. This is our first time, our first experience. They are so scared. Me, I'm scared for my phone. I'm not even scared for the height. Yeah, because I want to vlog you.
Take pictures.
You see, that's good.
I did take pictures. The first time I came here, I was actually scared.
For a guy, okay, now I'm scared.
There's the comfort that you're not going to fall.
Is it that strong?
Yes, like you just know that it's not there.
Okay, the snake structure.
No, I'm not scared.
I need a new friend. Baby, bye-bye. I'm scared, but I have Lammy with me. Hey, look. I was so scared. Okay.
I don't know. Who is leading? They are leading. The people that went first.
Please, people at the front, lead. But they'll be at the front. And I think you guys are at the back. It's so tall, so high, and hard. But we made it to the second. What they call this place? The second picture for the first one. Okay, this is so. Okay, am I scared? On a scale of 1 to 10, I am scared. 7. I'll give it a 7. Because I'm scared, but I'm scared. Let's not even lie, I'm scared. And this is the third one we're doing, and this looks more scary than the 2 we already did. But I have my bestie here with me. If we fall together. I think we're going down now, see? Oh, we're going down. Coming up was like, nope. You see how tall that tree is? Now imagine it to its roots. It's not that high actually. Okay. Last ride. Last one. And we're done. And we're done. And we're done. I think I can make it. I am done. I think. The end, though. We made it to the end. We made it to the end. Thank you, mommy. Oh, so cute. Now we're trekking back. Actually, I'm so scared right now. I feel like there's a monkey coming to snatch my phone, but we just finished and we made it to the end, and I'm excited. I'm so happy. This place looks beautiful, and it's like nature is calling you. I know a lot of people are going to be like, how did you video this with monkeys around? But I just saw one monkey, so bye. Yeah. Next stop, family park. We're going to family park. I don't know what that is, but when we get there we'll see. Okay, we will see. Monkeys got me fucked up. I'm scared. Oh, I just saw another one. The sands here feel like you're at the beach, and I think this is a family park. Family. Oh, okay. Did I just see caution? Snakes and crocodile in the forest swamp. Okay. It means don't go there. Oh, the small play. Okay. This place looks like, you know all this is giving me this don't cite anything, please. It's giving me this like traditional Igbo vibe. Guys, guess what I just saw? The famous chessboard picture. It's like I always see people taking pictures in this place, and it's like it's spacious. We'll get there soon. It's there. It's right there. Right there in that corner. Huh? What'd you say? I think that was why they said them. Oh, Lami, Deji and David. Okay. This place is lovely actually, and I think they have that, but I don't know what it's for. It's cute. It has this like military vibe too. I don't know, but I feel like it's still giving me this traditional Igbo movie vibe. I don't know, that's just what I feel. What game is this? I think is it chess. Oh, please remove your shoes. Sorry, we didn't see that. Finally, the famous chef era. It's like, how did they get this place not safe?
They're not doing anything with it.
I don't think it's even this one I see in pictures. There's one that has this like modern vibe. Chessboard. How heavy can this thing be? Oh, it's not that heavy. It's quite light. It's not heavy. I thought it was going to be heavy, but it's not. It's just normal. I think someone was playing before. I don't really know much about chess, but I think I find people that know how to play chess to be interesting, because I feel like they know things. Yeah, I don't know if that's smart, but that's just how I feel. They don't really have anything like that here. It's just normal. And you have guys playing ball. They left their house and came all the way to this place to play football. You guys see them? They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I hope they feed them though, because they look hungry and starved. Nemo. I don't even know what they do there. Do they have like meetings at night? Ah, finally. Oh, I thought we were lost for a second. Yeah. It's so good to see the entrance. This place finally out. Wow.